guys, how's it going? How's it going? Wow, man, I look a bit beat up. Got off of work like a couple hours ago, got some lunch. Yeah, of course I look very dirty. Sorry, I haven't taken a shower. I'm about to get even more dirty because today I'm installing stage 1 clutch pressure plate. I got an aluminum lightweight flywheel. I got a clutch fork pivot point right here that I'm going to be installing, and an upgraded, almost feels like cast iron clutch fork, if you will. So I got a couple of my guys from high school that are going to come over, and we're going to jack up my car. Start by removing the exhaust and start by removing the drive shaft, and then after that we're going to get to it, drop the transmission, and install all this. Because it's not just that I wanted to upgrade my clutch, but it's also that when I'm on the road and I hit high RPMs, I start hearing like really whiny noises coming from my transmission, and so yeah, and just really don't like the whiny noises that are coming from it. And it could be because of a faulty clutch fork, if you will, or it could be from a throwout bearing. And this is included in this too, throwout bearing. So we're gonna get to it today. We're gonna have a lot of time lapses on my new camera. Yeah, right there. Can't see it because you're seeing through. Get the point. Get the point. We're gonna set you up in the camera. I'm gonna start by just kind of disconnecting the shift knob and just kind of drop the clutch arm that connects to the shifter. So that when we're ready to drop the transmission, we don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about that. So we're gonna get to that. We're gonna set you up somewhere, and we're gonna just set up a time lapse. So I got two of my guys that are coming from high school. One of my buddies is Adrian. He's got a like 2008 Ford Mustang. It's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. My buddy Jesse, who's not really in the car scene as much. Don't know what he drives. I forgot. Something like SUV or something like that. But hey, I love them. They're my brothers. In future videos, you'll meet my homie that I've known since like 7th grade. His name is Caesar, so I'll get him in a few videos as well. He's at more training. He already finished boot camp. He's going to training for now. Back in sometime in August. Right now is May, so we'll get him in a couple of videos. But for right now, I'm just gonna shut up. Set you guys off to the side. We'll get to it. Just got out of Lowe's and Home Depot, and for sure I went to O'Reilly's, something like that. But I got myself some bolts. This is not like a flange bolt, couldn't find any of those. I literally tried like O'Reilly's, I tried Home Depot, and I tried Lowe's, and this is the only option I had, was to get bolts and washers. But I was also able to get myself some die-hard bolt extractors, so I'll be able to get that out, hopefully. But I need a cup of coffee because I'm so tired right now. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. Probably catch me in the garage. Probably be working on the car a little bit before I have to go into work, which is like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So I'll catch you guys in like a little bit. Hey guys, wow, yeah, yet again, there's the Adolf Hitler look. But I'm just getting off of work. It's 6:55 right now. I've got a lot to do still. This morning before I went to work, I finally got that bolt off. Here's what it looked like. If you can even see it, it was terrible. It was terrible. Use those bolt extractor sockets to get it off, and the 3/8 one worked well when I hit it with the breaker bar. But so that's done. All the bolts are loose. The transmission is ready to come out, but the only problem is it's just me working on the car tonight because my buddy said that he's got some things to do, so he can't come over here. So I'm screwed. I'm so nervous, but I want to get this done. Like, I've got to go to school next Monday, and I don't really want to be using my parents' Ford. No, yeah, it's fine, man. It's fine. And if I haven't said already, I got a action clutch pressure plate with a stage 1 clutch, and underneath that I got a Fidanza aluminum lightweight flywheel, which is roughly 2 pounds lighter than my OEM flywheel that I've got on currently. I forgot the brand of this, but it's a aftermarket clutch fork, which will be able to withstand the torque and pressure that the pressure plate is going to be adding onto it. And then I got some new bolts and washers for those bottom 2 bolts. The other one's fine, but the other one is completely screwed, so I'm not gonna be using that. But enough talking. I'm gonna get to it. I'm starving right now. I'm gonna kind of get this done with, even though I know it probably won't be done tonight, but I'll at least try to get the majority done with it. So stay tuned, my guys. Adrian and I. What's up, Adrian? Say hello to the...
Hello.
Let me take my flashlight off. We just got the transmission out of the car. How we're looking under there. Pretty good, I would say, man. I mean, like, you can just see the pressure plate that we're gonna change right there. We got a flywheel behind it. We're gonna get all of that out pretty soon. But for right now, we're just gonna work on getting the throwout bearing, the clutch fork out. We're gonna change that, and we got a pivot joint behind here that we're gonna change as well. So for right now, I'm just happy to say that we got the transmission out. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
So we're gonna get grinding right here. We've been working on it for like, I don't know, like maybe an hour. What's up, guys? So today we're actually going to install a transmission, finally. We've been waiting like a week just to get enough time to work on it together. Just so I'm not doing it by myself, but so far I'll show you guys what it looks like underneath the car, or even from the engine bay, because you can see it. So right there you can kind of see the red pressure plate that we installed, and right behind it is the aluminum flywheel. So we got that installed. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to set up a time lapse, and we'll just install the transmission. And you're laughing, of course, Adrian. Yeah. Hey guys, so we officially did it. We got Adrian down here. Say hello.
Hello.
But we officially installed the transmission, and we got our drive shaft installed. We've got our shifter installed, and it's good because it goes into gear, which is very good. So I'm happy to say we can officially see if the clutch is going to engage and see if everything's working properly before we take a fair little spin. So I'm excited, boys.
Let's